Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a YouTube short. So let's dive in. First thing you have to do is click on the plus on the bottom of the screen, then click on create short and it will bring you here. You can click on the top right corner of the screen to adjust the time frame. Then you want to add the video that you're going to use, so you click on add on the bottom left and you can select a video that you want to use. I am just going to use this one right here, and you can see that I can adjust the time frame that I want to use in the video. I could shorten it, I could adjust the part of the video where I want it to start and end. It's kind of like when you use in an Instagram story, it's almost similar. So it's actually very easy, and once you're done with your adjustments, you just click on done. You can add effects, you can add subtitles, and once you do that, you click on the tick on the bottom right of your screen. You can add filters, and once you're done, all you have to do is click next. So you click next and you can go ahead and post the video. And that is how you do it, guys, and I will see you in the next video.